Australian professor said that since Hong Kong's return to the motherland 25 years ago, it's been a golden era for Hong Kong's development. Guanjin A. Parker has stayed in Hong Kong for more than 7 years.
Well, I love Hong Kong. I love the city. I love the people. It's an exciting, vibrant, multicultural metropolis, which has many attractive features. There is a large expat community of many international people. It was very much going gangbusters in terms of investment and in terms of opportunities and excitement, and the vibrancy of the place was just astonishing to me. I've never been anywhere like it, and I thought this was amazing.
From 1997 to 2021, Hong Kong's GDP grew from 1.37 trillion Hong Kong dollars to 2.86 trillion Hong Kong dollars. Parker said he was also impressed with Hong Kong's development over the past 25 years.
Since 1997, you look at our universities back then, you look at our universities now, and the universities now are far, far stronger. They're far more globally important. They're ranked much higher. Now, this is astonishing, and it's not just the universities. You look at infrastructure, you look at the MTR, incredible system. So I think, post-1997 has been, it's like a golden era of Hong Kong development, I would say. If you look at it, look at the finance, the money, the infrastructure, the tertiary education outputs, and all of this is just, and all against the backdrop of a regulatory framework which has been world's best and secure, and secured by, the independent judiciary and a regulatory framework that is absolutely solid. So I think this is what gives our external investors confidence in the city of Hong Kong.
Parker says the development of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area offers tremendous opportunities. He says he's confident that Hong Kong will become a leader for space, investment, and development in the future.
Once things with the mainland become more and more interconnected, there's no reason why people can't work in Hong Kong and live in Shenzhen. It's just part of the Greater Bay Area with all these interconnected cities in the future. We're talking about the Northern Metropolis here in Hong Kong as well. It's an exemplar of a modern, green, connected, smart city. And I think that's something that has my tremendous support as well. So, there's tremendous opportunities there for our young people. We have all the people and the talent, and Hong Kong could become a leader for space investment and development because it has the right kind of infrastructure in terms of, investment infrastructure and AI, and fintech infrastructure that you need for data that comes from all these satellites. So I think there's a tremendous opportunity there for Hong Kong to grasp.